Hey guys, today I'm checking out this outdoor ceiling fan that I received for viewing purposes. It's a great unit that you can place it anywhere that you need it outdoors, as you just have to hang it. You don't need to wear it or anything like that because you just are gonna plug it in for it to work, which I think that it's great. The power cord cable is actually really long. It has a length of 16 feet, and what I like about it is that it's really easy to control it. And the installation process, it's actually really simple with all the steps by steps with the manual on how to install it, which I think that it's great, and you don't need any kind of special tool to install it. It's a really simple installation that doesn't take that much long, and it gives us plenty of options on where to install it, as it doesn't need any kind of wiring, which I think that it's great. You have two download heights available, and you don't even need to worry about any kind of weather situation because it's IP65 waterproof rated, and the high quality ABS fan blades won't suffer anything at all. It's rainproof, snowproof, windproof, and it even can handle sun. It will be able to customize light, and it will be able to even be dimmed down or dim up depending on how you need it, and it's really silent, which I think that it's great. You get also the option to control it with the app. You can use it all the different functions that you can make with the controller wirelessly through the cell phone option. It offers 6 different speeds and light. As I've said, it's also customizable, so you can just set it up however you need it, making it a really nice setting depending on the mode you want to set up or the time of the day. And I think that it's really nice that the remote control comes a little screen where we can see in which speed we have it set up, the temperature of the light, or if we're gonna lower it or heighten the light temperature and brightness, which I think that it's really nice. With the remote control, we can control all the different settings of the proper fan, like the light. We want different speeds, and we can choose from many different speeds and set it up however we want it, which I think that it's great. We can also adjust the lighting that we want, and it's really powerful. You can even set it for it to go forward or reverse, so you set both on winter and summertime. You can set it up for a kind of like night mode that will be low light and a little breeze, which I think that it's nice, and you can even program it for a certain amount of time, so it will turn off automatically, which I think that it's really nice. Another thing that I think that it's great is that it doesn't make that much sound, which I think that it's great, and it can be perfect for being outdoors in any kind of social gathering, and you want to have a little breeze, a lot more light upon the night. I think that it's a great option, and overall I think that it's really nice. I like it a lot. It has many different features that I think it's gonna be really handy, and with the remote control, it's great. I also like that you can just control it with the application, making it really simple and versatile to make it work. So overall, I think that it's great, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.